Export PDF file basically means converting PDF document into another format like Word, Excel, PowerPoint format. Click on the file to open. This is a one-page file. To export this PDF into Word file, click on Tools. In the Create and Edit group, Export PDF file section is here. Click on the down arrow, click on Open. You can see this PDF file can be exported into Word, spreadsheet, PowerPoint, image, HTML web page, and also there are more formats. So just click on the Word file and click on Export. You can see it is asking for the option in which the exported file will be saved. Then click on this folder and give name. You can see it is converted into a Word file. Let the name be one only. Click on save. You can see the file has been exported into a Word file. And now it is editable. Just look at the screen like VI. You can see it is editable. We can delete plaintiff. Hence, in this way, you can export any PDF file into a Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint file,